this is how looks my fried rice. You can make it better for sure. Amigos, today's video we'll be making some fried rice with a little bit of mushroom, and also I already cooked my rice because sometimes when we're doing the fried rice it should be completely cold. It's when we're using our leftovers. I try to don't waste anything. I try to reduce the waste of food. But something important right here is that you can do it with almost anything, any kind of veggies, and basically it's going to be easy. I hope you really like it, amigos. If you really like it, please hit like this video, and also tell me in the comments what would you like to see on the next videos, and I'll be working for you. So welcome. My name is Ulysses. I'm a professional chef with 10 years of experience. I started doing plant-based cuisine 5 years ago. Something that I really love it is make food related or anything related to plant-based or vegan, mostly vegan food. Amigos, let's move on the recipe and you're gonna love it for sure. Amigos, quickly, how to make this recipe is very easy. First, onions, any kind of onions that you have. I'm going to clean it, and also I'm gonna use 3 pairs onions. Amigos, I already cleaned my onions, so right now I'm gonna use 3 pairs onions, and also right now is quickly 1 saucepan, medium heat, a little bit of vegetable oil, something like 1 table to 2 tables. So amigos, while it's getting hot your pan, you can cut your onions, also you can cut your mushroom, or you can cut even your greens, your vegetables. So I'm gonna use 1 carrot, any kind of carrot, any kind of color, but just make sure this is important. Just try to cut it on the same or almost close as the same size. This is for let cook evenly. That's why try to cut your carrots on the same size. I'm gonna use 1 carrot and so amigos, medium high heat pan, 1 to 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Fill the heat and add your onions. You can use shallots, you can use green onions, you can use any kind of onions, onion powder. So if you're gonna use onion powder, don't add it right now at the beginning. Just add it while you're cooking, when your vegetables are cooking. So while my onions are getting color, I'm gonna add 1 garlic clove and also a little bit, just a little bit of fresh ginger. And this is very easy to clean 1 garlic. If you really see, it's very easy. Just chop. Just make your garlic. Right now it's ready. So let's see how's going everything. So look at this, they're getting a little bit of color. Right now I'm going to add my carrot. So 1 carrot, a 1/4 cup of fresh corn, 1/4 cup of green peas, and also it's time to add my mushroom. Six to 7 pieces of shiitake mushroom or any other kind of mushroom. Just mix them very well. Add your garlic. Salt, black pepper. A little bit of salt. Black pepper. So amigos, just saute a little bit by a couple of minutes. Once your veggies are tender, it's time to add your rice. How much rice? You know how much rice. I mean, depends how much you want to add it. This is completely optional. You can add it more or less rice. I'm gonna use something like 1 cup, 2 cups and half, something like that. This is something like approximately 2 cups and half. You can add it more or less. Amigos, this is something tricky. If you really think that it's getting dry quickly, just add a little bit more of vegetable oil or whatever oil that you're using. Or even if you don't have that one, you can add a little bit of butter. Just a little bit of butter. Let's see how it's going, how looks everything. Everything looks good. It's not burning anything. And just be patient, amigos. Just be patient. So amigos, this is important. Once you see your veggies are cooked and your rice is a little bit of fried, it's the perfect time to add 1 tablespoon. This is completely optional. A little bit of butter and even, I mean, this is made from plants, right? It's made from plants. Tatari. Okay, I knew that this could happen. Okay, I really love this sound when something is frying. So then a little bit of butter, I'm going to, yes, look at this. I really like this sound. I really love how this sounds. This noise. Wait a little bit until this is fried completely. Can you hear that? Okay, it's getting fried. Okay, it's frying. Okay, how looks everything? Okay, look at this. How really looks this one. Looks amazing. I mean, and the aroma is incredible. Just make sure a little bit, just try to fry it a little bit, couple more minutes. So just remember this, you're going to add your rice once your veggies are tender. So completely optional, how I said before. If you can use this one or you can buy this one, get it. You're gonna love it. Just I'm gonna use a little bit. Some people love or cooking on different kind of sauce, but I'm a lazy person and I don't want to wash something else. Just one saucepan and that's it. Basically, that's it. Oh yeah. Need something spicy. So then, amigos, right now it's time to plate it. Oh my God! Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. Actually, I'm going to plate on this way. Everything right here. Look at this beauty. Wow. So I'm missing something. So then a little bit of green onions and a little bit of jalapenos. And this is completely optional, amigos, if you really like it spicy. Amigos, this is just one idea of what to do with your leftover. I mean, please don't waste. This is the purpose of this video, you know, is just for reduce the waste of our food. Oh my god. Okay, now everything looks good. Da-da-dee, da-da-da, da-da-dee. Amigos, just remember, you can use your leftovers always. This is how looks my fried rice. You can make it better for sure. You can make it better than mine for sure. So, amigos, see you soon. Peace and love. Love your fried rice. It's amazing.